Ilya and I'm a food enthusiast. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you a very fun and tasty recipe of Khachipuri from wood-fired pizza. What is Khachipuri, you ask me? Well, Khachipuri is a Georgian dish of cheese-filled bread which kind of looks like a bowl. It is a very popular dish in Georgia as a street food, and it is widely available in Georgian restaurants. This is not an original recipe, but I've been making Khachipuri using this recipe for many years and always get lots of compliments for taste and visual presentation of the dish. Our kids love this dish more than cheese pizza, therefore for me it's a good indication of success. Preparation is fairly easy, it takes about 1 hour and 20 minutes including dough rising time. First, let's go through the ingredients for our dough. My proportions are based on 5 Khachipuri breads. Alternatively, if you want to speed up the process, you can use regular pizza dough from the store. Okay, let's go through ingredients for the dough. Alright, dough preparation process. Step number 1. Step number 2. Sift 600 grams of flour to the large bowl. Well, mix the liquid with yeast and transfer the liquid to the bowl with flour. Then knead the dough with your hands. It should look something like that. You might need to add a bit more warm water or flour to make the dough smooth and elastic. Mix about 2 tablespoons of oil to the dough. Then take another bowl. Use the remaining oil to grease the sides of the bowl and let the dough sit there in a room temperature for about 40 minutes. Cover the dough with a towel. You should see dough rising in the process. Should look something like that. Now we need to prepare the cheese filling. For that we need the following ingredients. Shredded mozzarella cheese, 1 bag. My bag is about 450 grams. Feta cheese, 1 package about 270 grams, and 2 eggs. Put all ingredients in the bowl and mix well. It should look something like that. While we are waiting for the dough to rise, let's preheat the oven. This is me chopping the wood. Look at this guy. It takes me about 20 to 30 minutes to get the oven to the desired temperature, close to 500 to 600 Fahrenheit. By the way, you can also bake Khachipuri in the regular or conventional oven. Okay, now let's make our bread balls. Take the dough and cut it into 5 equal pieces. Place the first piece on the well-floured board and shape it with your hands into the oval form. Put some cheese inside and close it up from both sides. Then turn it upside down, spread into the boat-looking shape, just like that. In the process, make sure you have enough flour under the dough, so the boat is sliding well. It will make it easier for you to move it into the oven. And cut the dough right in the middle to convert it into the open-faced bread. See what I'm doing here? Beat 1 egg really well. When Khachipuri is in the oven, put some egg over the dough. It will add the beautiful golden color to the final product. Typically it takes about 12 to 15 minutes for the full preparation. When you see cheese starting to boil, normally it's about 2 minutes before the complete preparation. Make the hole inside of the cheesy filling and break 1 egg inside. Add 2 cubes of butter on top of the cheese as well. When egg white is ready, your Khachipuri is ready. Continue with the remaining 4 pieces. You can also add some garnish on top to improve the presentation. Optionally, you can skip the last process of adding the egg and the butter. It will make it a nice, cheesy looking bread, which is also a very popular and very big hit at our table. You are probably wondering, how do I eat that? This is how you eat the Khachipuri. It tastes amazing. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.